Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E43 error and you're wondering, what this is and what you need to do about it. So a couple things. First of all, what it is that the main control board connects to an inverter control board which drives the motor. And the inverter control board is being sensed as being defective by the main control board. So in a lot of cases, you're just going to need to replace the inverter control board. But before you replace the inverter control board or call someone to do it for you or whatever like that, these kind of electronic sensing errors can sometimes be fixed just with a hard reset. So you can there's a couple ways to do a hard reset. The easiest way to do it is just to turn your washing machine off and disconnect it from power for a full minute. After that minute is up, you can replace power, turn it back on, try to run a cycle, and see if it hasn't cleared out this error. But anyway, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.